Tata Motors is a big name in India. People know the company well. It makes cars, trucks and buses. For many years, Tata Motors has been part of Indian life. From city streets to rural roads, Tata vehicles are everywhere. The company is known for making tough and affordable vehicles. This has made them popular with many Indians. Tata Motors is a source of pride for India. Today, Tata Motors is making headlines. There is excitement about the company's new plans. People are talking about their new cars and technologies. This buzz is a good sign for Tata Motors. One reason for the excitement is Tata's focus on electric vehicles. The company is investing in new electric cars. They are also making batteries and charging stations. This is attracting customers who want eco-friendly options. Tata Motors is not just building electric cars. The company is also bringing new ideas to its other vehicles. They are making their cars safer and more comfortable. They are also adding new features that people like. For example, some Tata cars now offer large touchscreens and connected features. This appeals to younger buyers who want the latest technology. Tata Motors is adapting to what customers want. Tata Motors has a bright future in India. The company understands the Indian market. They are making products that meet the needs of Indian customers. Tata Motors is also focused on making its vehicles more affordable. This is important in a market where price is a big factor. By offering good value, Tata Motors will continue to be a leader in the Indian automotive industry.